Haymarket. We're going to the farmer's market, and can you believe this? We live in the same state now, which is wild. So I'm showing her around. We're doing all the things, and we match. I don't know, you probably can't see that. We match. It's the baby. Hi. Oh. First purchase of the day. She got a sakura mochi, and I got daifuku mochi, strawberry flavored. I'm so excited. What's it smell like?
It smells like flowers.
Does it? Oh, it does. Oh, hold on, let me zoom out.
Are we cheering?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, we can't.
Cheers. Oh, they stuck together. Mm. Oh my god, my face. That was so good. Okay. What's yours on the inside? Red bean taste.
I'm a sucker for red bean.
So good. Yeah. We're gonna split a kolache. It is getting so hot out right now. Some sun-dried tomato, or what is it? Yeah. Sun-dried tomato, sourdough bread. Look at the cross section.
Smell?
Pose like, what the heck? It looks okay. So I just wanted to do a quick little check-in on everything that I got at the farmer's market. I did not get much. I'm working on recently, like, just getting things that are essential because money is tight, and I know everyone in the country right now can relate to this. Economic times are hard right now, so I'm really trying to cut back and like only buy things that I like need instead of want. But first thing, I got some rhubarb jam. I am a jam girly through and through. I just love the pieces of a real fruit in there, and I love rhubarb. So rhubarb jam. I got some nice, lovely farm fresh eggs, because farm fresh eggs are the best eggs. And then I got some sourdough bread, which I showed you guys that Michaela and I, we split a loaf. And then we got some daifuku mochi and sakura mochi from a Japanese, like, little local pastry place. So that was really good. But I haven't been on YouTube in a hot second, and it's because literally I've just been working. Like, for some reason, this last month has just felt like a blur. Like, I went to Florida, Miami, Colorado, California twice, like, just in the cluster of like 4 months. And now this last month, I feel like I've done absolutely nothing but just work and come home and work and go home and work and go home, which is literally all I've done. But I have some exciting, something exciting to share with you guys. As you all know, Dior passed away about 2 months ago, and I ended up adopting another little kitty. He is quite a bit younger. He's about 1.5 years. His birthday's in October, but let me go and grab him really quickly. So this is Poe, and he's named after the Kung Fu Panda, like Poe. He is a Siamese kitty as well. You can see he's a big boy. He is 10 whole pounds of lean machine. And he's the best thing. He's such a chill 1-year-old, so well behaved. He doesn't get on the counters. He's a little cuddle bug. Like, he's just the best thing. He's healing my heart. I see so much of Dior in him, and as well as his own little personality. But he does, my apartment does look like a toddler threw up in here. Like, there are toys everywhere because I have to keep that little boy entertained for hours. He has so much more energy than Dior. Clearly, Dior was like 18 years old, 17 when he passed. So Dior had a lot less energy than Mr. Poe there, but he's been such a great addition to my life. Everybody loves him. I've got so lucky with my last 2 pets to just match my personality so well. And you all know that I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason. And I think the same thing about pets. Like, pets choose you and you are in their lives for a reason. So I'm so happy that I get to share my time with him for the next 30 something years now, probably. I don't know if medicine changes that, maybe, but 20 years or so. I'm excited to get to spend some time with him and have him grow me as a person and just take care of that little love nugget. So I think that is everything. I kind of want to do like a night routine, because my routine has changed quite a bit, because it kind of centers around Poe now. So yeah, my night routines changed a bit. I might do one of those videos. I'm headed to Lollapalooza here soon. And then shortly after that, I'll be in the Virgin Islands for about 2 weeks. And it's going to be another crazy year. It's exciting to have Michaela back here. We've had so much sibling time. We've hung out with her little brother, I guess my little brother as well, and Michaela's boyfriend, and lots of family time just recently. And it's been so nice to just feel so grounded and be around the people that I love the most. So yeah, I'm excited. I feel like I've taken kind of a step back from materialistic things in my life, which a lot of those materialistic things was a part of my healing process after losing my mom. And now I'm focusing on grounding myself and being realistic, but also not taking away from things that I really, really enjoy and still love to do. And traveling is a big part of that. So you're never going to get rid of my traveling videos, maybe a little less on the luxury videos, but yeah, I just want to say thank you all for coming along on this journey. I see my subscriber count growing every day, and thank you guys so much. Even when I go on these like 1 month hiatuses, thank you so much for following along with me, for liking my content and just being a part of my journey. Truly, I feel so blessed to be able to share my story and maybe help some of you. It's a privilege, and I'm so happy for this little community that I've grown, and I just want to say thank you all so, so much. Yeah, I will see you guys here shortly and in the next one.